Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So we got a couple of different ways how we could do that, and the first one, the just default one, we should first go to the settings, tap to sounds and vibration, and to find here silent mode switcher. So just to activate silent mode or to turn it off, we should click to the switcher. Also we could silence media in silent mode if you want. The second one we should just mute ringtone volume panel with our finger. By this way, just by slide to the left or to the right side ring volume panel. Also got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here mute icon. Just click to this icon to activate silent mode or to turn it off. And one more way, press up or down volume button and you'll see here bell icon. Just to activate silent mode, click on it. Now silent mode is activated and the bell switch to the cross bell. To turn it off, you should just click to this cross bell to switch it to the regular one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.